Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had an amazing Memorial Day. I know this isn't usually a posting day for me. I do usually post on Mondays, but of course that was Memorial Day and we celebrated that here and we had such a great day. And of course it would not be a Memorial Day without recognizing the fallen soldiers that fought so hard to protect our country and give us our freedoms that we have today. So of course, I just want to thank anybody you may know that has fallen in the line of duty. And just of course, thank you to anyone who is currently protecting our country or maybe is no longer in the military. Just thank you so much to all of you, including our first responders, our law enforcement and firefighters, and just anyone who's out there on the front lines. Thank you so much. That was so important for me to lead off today's video. And as you guys can see, I've got a ton of work ahead of me. We are in Colton's room and I actually sent him under the bed to help me clear this out. I could not get under there myself, so I called him in here to help me out. So we're going to start in his bedroom today. We're going to get everything pulled out and just reorganized, decluttered, and get this room whipped back into shape. The boys' bedrooms have gotten so behind. It's usually the playroom that gets probably the most behind because that's where we keep and store their toys. But lately they've been coming in their bedrooms and playing a lot more, and so that mess has kind of trickled over into their bedrooms as well. And I've just been so preoccupied with the rest of the house that their rooms just have really fallen behind. And so I really wanted to make sure that I got in here today, and that's why I wanted to pick up the camera, because I've had so many of you all tell me that you all struggle with these areas of your home as well. We have been having our windows open and so much dust has been coming in here. So as you can see, it's just really gotten bad. So I'm going to come in here with a multi-surface spray and just get everything nice and dusted and clean. The only thing I pretty much didn't clean in here today was I didn't wash his bedding, and that's because I had other laundry going and I knew at this time of the day, by the time I finished moving the other laundry through and then got this washed, it would not have been dried in time for bedtime. So I figured I would go ahead and just make the bed today and then make sure tomorrow morning I threw in his bedding, and it wasn't that overdue anyways. I think I washed this about a week ago, so it wasn't terrible. I just would have preferred to get this room completely done, including his sheets, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and get them done tomorrow.
Just a little bit of you and I go by to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing down. I'm 99.5 of all the love that we've got. I'm 99.5.
I will make sure that I link the video down below, but I came in here a few videos ago and did a complete overhaul in this closet, and so it's not really that bad. I just have to come in and kind of touch it up because I have been trying to get the boys to help more with like putting away their laundry and kind of getting things put away, and things don't always end up neatly put away or even put away in the right place. So I'm just going to take a minute and come in here and just kind of get everything touched back up and put it where it belongs.
Keep on keeping on, 'cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I go by to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you badly
Having mirrored closets in kids' rooms should be illegal. It is so hard to keep these mirrors clean. I feel like every time I turn around, they are just full of fingerprints or who knows what. And so I'm always looking at these thinking, oh my gosh, I need to get in here and wipe them down. But then I just get sidetracked and then they just get really, really bad. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle these mirrors in today's video. In that cleaning video that I was mentioning before, where I came in here and did an overhaul in the closet, I really did a overhaul of this whole room. And there used to be a toy shelf right here, and so there was a bunch of dust on this baseboard, so I wanted to come in here and just wipe down all the baseboards. And then I also noticed that this carpet in here, we've had this for a few years now, and our dog loves to sleep in here. I've done some cleanings on it with my carpet cleaner, but I think it's to the point where I'd rather just toss it and get Colton a new rug in here. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove that carpet as a whole, do a really good vacuum in here, and then I'm going to hunt down a brand new carpet to throw down in here.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying.
We are tackling this room today. We did under the bed, we organized the closet, we wiped down all the dust on the baseboards and the dresser, the mirrors, gave it a good vacuum and made the bed and everything got put back where it belongs. And of course, I cannot finish this room without wiping down the door jambs and the framing around the doors and the doorknobs, because kids just figure out a way to just make a mess of everything everywhere. It's really a superpower. I don't know how they do it. But now we're gonna move next door to Colton's room into Ryland's room, where we're gonna wipe down more dust and tackle this closet, clean out under the bed, and then we're even going to be doing some switching around in here. And the other day I even came in here and did peel and stick wallpaper. I did not film it because I am definitely not the person to be taking tips for wallpaper from, but I will make sure that I show it in the next video. But go ahead and stick with me. We're gonna go ahead and do a major transformation in here today.
Keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home. I'm searching, yeah.
So with a little bit of editing magic, his room is moved around. Luckily, my husband was home to help me out with this. And to be honest, I did not intend on doing this today, but it has been on my mind for a while. And I just figured the timing was perfect because he was home and he was able to help me out. And I was just doing some deep cleaning in here anyways. So I'm really glad that we did it. I really think it just makes it look more of like a big boy room. Ryland is 8. He doesn't really need, to worry about falling off the bed or anything like that anymore. And I think that this just makes way more sense in this space. So I'm so happy we did this. And like I said, make sure you stay subscribed because I'm really having a lot of fun in this room, redoing it for him. I did the wallpaper. I'm be doing some decorating. I'm going to hang up some shelves for his books, get him some new bedding, and just make it just a little bit more mature in here for him.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know he's just mad, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a
This closet has been bothering me for some time. I did come in here a few months ago. Actually, I think my husband did, and he completely organized this, like stuffed animals in bins and then board games in bins. And then we went through and took out clothes that he didn't fit in anymore. And oh, here's my husband. He's so sweet. He saw that I was just in so deep with filming. He brought my home chef recipes up here and let me pick what to have for dinner tonight, and he made it and he covered dinner. And I thought that was the coolest thing because it's so hard when we like start a task and then we have to stop to go tend to our families. And it was just so awesome that he saw that I was on a complete roll. So he's like, hey, keep doing what you're gonna do. I got dinner covered. So that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of going through and getting things put back where they belong. So in this little toy bin, I'm putting overflow of stuffed animals and board games. And then I have a few bins that are just for stuffed animals, and then another bin that has other board games and puzzles. And then at the top here, I just have bags that I have a bunch of Ryland's schoolwork from like preschool and kindergarten. And he's in 3rd grade now, getting ready to go into 4th grade. So we have a lot of projects and stuff that have been sent home from school. And this is just how they are right now. But I am going to get bins for those as well and get them all labeled. But definitely not in today's video because I had enough going on. So to pretty much wrap up this closet, I'm going to go through his clothes and then of course put everything in order. I love doing, colors of the rainbow, the red, orange, yellow, green, blue. So that's what I'm working on right here. And then I will be done with this closet.
You're pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. 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 You fuel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Let's keep
I had a bunch of Ryland's laundry in the dryer and it didn't finish in time that I was filming. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys what I have going. So I have a bunch of his dress shirts kind of grouped together, and then it kind of moves into his everyday clothes. So once that's done, I will come up here and get everything hung up so he has a bunch of fresh clothes for the week, which you're gonna see me doing here. I'm gonna go ahead and move over a little bit of laundry. And then I also ran to Target earlier today, and I want to go ahead and end this video showing you guys a little haul of what I picked up. So in my upcoming videos, you guys will see me using some of these cleaners, and I'm trying out some new ones I've never used before. And I also finally was able to find a Scrub Daddy in stock. Let me know if you guys have a Scrub Daddy sponge. I hear that they're absolutely amazing, and my Target seems to always be sold out of them, so they must do pretty good. But I got one of the last ones today, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up some of this laundry and then show you guys a little haul. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this kind of helped you guys out. If you have any areas in your home that you feel like you're behind on, like I was doing in today's videos, the boys' rooms have just been bothering me so badly. Between their rooms and the playroom, I just get so overwhelmed. So I feel so good knowing that their rooms are all clean, and I love knowing that I can go in there and now just redo Ryland's room and give him a nice new big boy bedroom. So make sure, if you guys haven't subscribed, you subscribe before you leave, because also in my next video I will be sharing our new backyard. It's done, you guys. I'm so excited. So stick around for that, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it. It helps me out so much. Let me know what you guys thought of today's video down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying.